video, we will be doing this quick little half up, half down updo that I actually found on YouTube. And I just used the half wig, you guys. It was really simple, really easy. I purchased the half wig off of Amazon. It is Outre's Ashani. Outre is Ashani in the color 1B. So I'm not really gonna talk too much. There's not really much to the cap construction because it is a half wig. There's combs right here and then in the back, so you guys will see how I installed it. If you're not already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make videos every week, normally beauty related, and yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. And you guys, I know I'm in a different setting right now. I'm in my bathroom. You guys, my life is all over the place right now. I'm about to leave. I'm about to go like on a little mini trip. My room is a mess. My bathroom's a mess. Everything is a mess. So please forgive me if you guys are like, ugh, like it's different. It's not your room. It's not, and I'm so sorry. And but anyway, I hope you guys still enjoy the video, and let me know, did I slay or not? And go ahead and turn on your post notifications. Enjoy